Waste another day, eyes on my.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, and today we are doing hair, guys. Yes, it's all about hair, not makeup. Yes, but I had to do just a little touch up on my makeup, so guys, keep it locked and see how we styled this hair. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. Yes, and to my amazing subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Your support is overwhelming. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, today we are doing hair, and I've sectioned my hair into two. So I have this part here and I have this part, so I've just sectioned here. So now I'll start styling from the front. So these are the things that I'll be using. So I have my Eco Styler gel here. This is my favorite. Then I have pure water. Yes, without water you cannot style natural hair. So water is important, guys. Then I have these bundles here. These are weaves, as you can see. So this is Fashion Idol in the shade 1B. Yeah, this is Super Lala pack. It has all this here, guys, all this. So I'll be working with this. So I'll be styling my hair using this weave here. It has 16 inch, 16 inch, 18 inch, 18 inch, then 20 inch and 20 inch. So I'll start with these two. I'll do these two at the front, then these two at the middle, then these two at the back. So keep it locked as you see how I do this styling, guys. So let's start. So first of all, I will spray my hair with water. This is pure water. Let's add the gel.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound.
Now I'll take my satin head wrap and I will just cover that for the gel to dry. Then I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. And now it's time to style my hair. So let's see whether the hair is dry. Wow, it's dry, guys. So now let's style this hair. As I said before, I'm using this. And yes, let's do it.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found.
So now at this back part here, I'll do the same styling that I did at the front. So this is what I'm doing now. It's just the same thing that I did here. So let's do it. I'm just holding this one so that I can be able to work with this at the back.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
So guys, I'm done with that. Yes, I love this style. You can see even at the back it's neat. So I'll go ahead and add this, guys. These are the decorations. These are the strings, the gold strings. Yeah, so I'll add them here.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So this is now after this gold decoration. So I'll go ahead and take my mousse. I love this olive oil. Yeah, this one is the foam wrap lotion. Yeah, so I'll just do a little bit of it. Then spread it all over. This maintains the curls. And boom, we are done, guys. Do you love this style? Do you love this look? Let me know on that comment section down below. Yes, you can actually style like this at home, guys. Yes, using a weave. So yeah, I used 4 bundles, so I remained with these 2. I didn't use these 2, so the hair was a lot, guys. So this hair is just amazing. so I used the 4 bundles. Yeah, and this is extra. This one I'll use this another day. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers for the next one. Bye.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things